Hello, Algebra 1 students. We are in Week 4, Literary Equations and Sequences of our function booklet. We are in Tier 1, Lesson 3, Solving One-Step Literary Equations. Let's check off our booklet. Here we are in Tier 1, Lesson 3, Solving One-Step Literary Equations. What literary equations are in mathematics are equations that involve two or more variables. Many real-world situations use equations with two or more variables. Your ability to manipulate these equations will help you in future math and science classes. So let's come down here and do a couple examples. So here we have one where we have P equals T plus W. Well, and we're being told to solve for T. Again, use the equal signs as a balancing point. To get this T by itself, I have a positive W, so I have to subtract W from both sides. So then I'm going to have just T left on this side, and on this side, I'm going to have P minus W. So my solution for this would be T equals P minus W. Cool. Let's go solve for R on this one. So now I have multiplication. Again, there's my balancing point. So to solve for R, I got to get rid of this T. To get rid of that T, because it's multiplication, I got to divide. And if I do it on this side, I got to do it on this side. So these T's go away, and I'm left with R on this side. And on this side, I have D divided by T. So R is equal to D divided by T. And actually, this is how you measure distance. It's rate times time, how far you go. And then if you wanted to know your rate or how fast you're going, you would do your distance divided by how long you've been traveling. So that is actually the real world, a real world little equation. All right, and then over here, we're going to solve for R. And we have T equals D divided by R. So again, this is our balancing point. To get this R out of the denominator, the easiest way to do that is just to multiply both sides by R. Okay, and then when we multiply both sides by R, on this side we get R times T, and on this side we get just D, but we still don't have R by itself. So now we got to get rid of the T over here, and to get rid of the T again, we're just going to divide both sides by T. So now this T goes away, and now I got R right here all by its lonesome, which is what I wanted. So I'm left on this side with R, and I am left on this side with D divided by T. So R would equal D divided by T. Kind of funny, these are the same, right? That wasn't on accident. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit. Good luck on your practice sets.